Chalo, let's unbox. What is up, people? What's happening? What's going on? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, you guys must be wondering where I have disappeared, but I took a 1 week break because this bad boy which is in my hand, yes, the camera, I have received this from a buddy. For that, you'll have to see my other channel called Let's Go Raj. That's where you'll know how I got this camera, and I'm so happy I can do more videos and do a lot of cinematic shots too. Well, today's video is all about make it yours. So this is an initiative by Royal Enfield where you can actually customize your t-shirts, helmets, or even your motorcycles. So let's not waste time and let's get into it. Packing looks really good. First box has opened. It's a trophy hai. This is a helmet holder. Royal Enfield has done insane packing. That's the helmet box. Now I'm opening the t-shirt box. Total 3 t-shirts. And this is your experience. Make it yours. Packing के अंदर और एक packing है. The order sheet. Yeah, so this is the mess created. Well, I'm sure the question is, how does this app work? So let's go to my space. Okay, so the process is simple. All you have to do is go to the Royal Enfield main page. As soon as you go to the apparel page, you will see make it yours. I did this in like 5 minutes and ordered 3 t-shirts and a helmet. As soon as you enter, you will see a t-shirt and a helmet column, so you can pick whatever you want. So I already have the Urban Trooper and I love it black, so I didn't customize this. I also had the basic half-face helmet, which I'll talk about. I wanted something for the city, so I went for a half-face setup. There you go. So this is how the page actually pops up. Decal, you have plenty of designs. I went with racing stripes, old school. The visor I went for bubble because I love it. That's so retro. You can still move the helmet like this, which is really good. So the app works really smooth and nice. I took a gloss finish. There's no option there. Text, you can write whatever you want basically. So I have written Rad Moto, shut up and ride, which is my slogan. You can choose a color if you want transparent or yellow. I went for yellow, so it's kind of a day maker. The process is same. You select the color, you select all the decals and logos available there. If you have a GT, you can put a GT logo or an Interceptor, which I have chosen. Okay. So this one I'm using daily, but now it'll be this one. It comes off, which is pretty cool. I really love the bubble visor. Before I get a copyright, this is my reel I had created for this helmet. Go check it out on the reels. Let's Go Raj, as well as Instagram Rad Moto. Size is perfect. Initially I had seen helmets where the bubble visor is quite popping out, but this is quite close to your face, which is really good. The quality is a bit heavier compared to the half face I showed you all. The reason is because this is now DOT and ISI approved, and that's why I think the fiber has changed. I like that the ear gaps have increased so that I can actually put my Bluetooth system in this, because this will be my daily use for city ride and basic stuff. The fit and feel is really nice, and overall the fit is really cool. Okay, now I'll quickly give a proper 360 to you guys, because I'm sure when I was wearing, you couldn't get a kind of idea how this helmet looks. So here you go. This is exactly the color of my motorcycle, which is really nice. It complements it. Plenty of designs, alright. There's plenty of wacky stuff. They have the sticker one, which I was going for first, but then I wanted something simple. That's why I went for old school design, and it's really nice. As you can see, it says ISI, and that's the DOT certification right there. The only thing is they don't have font selection, so I mean, I'm okay with this kind of writing, but if you write too much, then it looks a bit okayish. A very simple badging of Royal Enfield right here. I like the bubble visor quality also is because it's strong. It's anti-scratch. You can always remove the bubble visor, wear shades if you feel like, and put a mask on and you're sorted. That's what I do usually on half-face helmets. The view through a daymaker is pretty good because it does help you for sun rays. If it's extremely sunny, it's better you put shades inside, but then this can help you out post afternoon. If you're not in a very sunny environment, then this is pretty good. Exactly what I wanted, and this is where it belongs. Now let's talk about t-shirt. These are the 3 designs which I have selected. I'll show you all properly and also do a try on for you all. Okay friends, now it's time to try on the t-shirt. So well, this is how the t-shirt looks. Yep, fits perfectly fine. As you can see, you can wear it with jeans. A size medium. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's kind of Goa and my Interceptor parked there. This is actually a patch. On my right side I have one more patch which I have selected. MOTO. Yep, you can put your name or whatever you prefer. And now it's time for the second t-shirt. The reason this is my favorite t-shirt is because it has the Interceptor engine. The material is really thick and nice. Nothing on my sleeves, I kept it simple. You can add that if you feel like, but I've kept just the plain engine, which looks like a heart, right? And obviously this is the heart of your motorcycle. And that's my motorcycle behind. So the number plate on my motorcycle says shut up and ride. And this is also really cool. I know it should be worn on blue jeans, but even on black it rocks. Now t-shirt number 3. Well, this vlog is becoming like a shopping haul. Okay, this is my favorite. Okay, obviously I prefer simple designs too. If you have seen my reels on MOTO, you will see this same motorcycle parked at the museum, Royal Enfield Garage Cafe. That's where I took the first shot, and then this shot. So yes, this is the 125cc which was dropped by parachute during World War II. Feel is really good. It's very comfortable. You can wear this t-shirt for daily wear also. I hope you guys like this video. Plenty of videos coming your way because now I got a new camera, so I'm so excited. So watch my other channel, Let's Go Raj also, which will be very much like travel and lifestyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel. Do press the thumbs up button. If you didn't like this video, press the dislike button because the new algo requires these conditions, and I hope you guys support me. As usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from MOTO. This is how my editing space looks now. Subscribe, share, like.